Hello friends, let us see differentiation and its example. In previous video, I had given you this example as a homework. Now let us see this example. Y is equal to x cube plus 2x minus 3 raised to 4 into x plus cos x raised to 3. Here we can consider this is u and this is v. If two functions are there and these two functions are multiplied to each other, then we can use this formula. Dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx while finding the derivative of this function y. Therefore, differentiate this function y with respect to x. We can consider this is u and this is v. Now therefore, by using this formula, first u we have to take as a constant. Therefore, x cube plus 2x minus 3 raised to 4 as it is. D by dx of, now we have to take the derivative of v, that is d by dx of x plus cos x raised to 3. Now plus, now we have to take v as a constant, x plus cos x raised to 3 d by dx of, now we have to take the derivative of first term, that is u, d by dx of x cube plus 2x minus 3 raised to 4. Now x cube plus 2x minus 3 raised to 4 as it is, we have to take the derivative of this, but this term is in the form of x raised to n, and we know that the derivative of x raised to n, that is n x raised to n minus 1. So we can use this formula here. Therefore, 3 x plus cos x, here 3 minus 1, that is 2. Again we have to take the derivative of this bracket, x plus cos x. Now next, plus x plus cos x raised to 3 as it is. Now we have to take the derivative of this bracket. Again we have to use this formula, d by dx of x raised to n, that is n x raised to n minus 1, but here power is 4, therefore 4 x cube plus 2x minus 3, 4 minus 1, that is 3, and again d by dx of this bracket only, x cube plus 2x minus 3. Therefore, this 3 we can take as first, 3 x cube plus 2x minus 3 raised to 4 into x plus cos x bracket square. Now we have to take derivative of each term of this bracket. So d by dx of x plus d by dx of cos x plus 4, we can write first 4 in bracket x plus cos x raised to 3 into x cube plus 2x minus 3 raised to 3. Now we have to find the derivative of this bracket, so we can distribute this derivative to each term of this bracket. D by dx of x cube plus d by dx of 2x minus d by dx of 3. Now 3 x cube plus 2x minus 3 bracket raised to 4 into x plus cos x bracket square. Now derivative of itself, dx upon dx, that is 1, and we know that the derivative of this cos x, that is minus x, minus sin x plus 4 x plus cos x bracket raised to 3 into in bracket x cube plus 2x minus 3 bracket raised to 3 into, we have to find the derivative of this x cube. X cube is in the form of x raised to n and x raised to n minus 1. Here n means 3 is there. Therefore, d by dx of x cube 3, x raised to 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus 2 is constant, therefore 2, and dx by dx, that is 1, and d by dx of 3 is constant term, therefore its derivative 0. Now we can write this dy by dx 3 x cube plus 2x minus 3 raised to 4 into x plus cos x bracket square 1 plus into minus, that is minus sin x plus 4 x plus cos x bracket raised to 3 into x cube plus 2x minus 3 bracket raised to 3 into 3x square plus 2 into 1, that is 2, 3x square plus 2 square bracket complete. And this is the derivative of the given function y is equal to x cube plus 2x minus 3 raised to 4 into x plus cos x raised to 3. I repeat, its derivative dy by dx is equal to 3 in bracket x cube plus 2x minus 3 raised to 4 into x plus cos x bracket square in bracket 1 minus sin x square bracket complete plus 4 in bracket x plus cos x raised to 3 into x cube plus 2x into 3x square plus 2 bracket complete and also square bracket complete. Now let us see next example. Example number 6. If f of x is equal to in root 7g of x, 7g of x minus 3, when g of 3 is equal to 4 and derivative of g of 3 or g dash of 3 is equal to 5, find f dash of 3 or derivative of f of 3. So we have here, we have function f of x is equal to root 7 g of x minus 3. We can write given values. G of 3 is equal to 4 is equal to 5. F dash of 3 is equal to question mark. So its derivative 1 upon 2 root 7 g of x minus 3. Again we have to take the derivative of this inside term 7g of x minus 3. 1 upon 2 root 7g of x minus 3 as it is, and its derivative 7 is constant, therefore 7 dy dx of g of x minus d by dx of 3. So 1 upon 2 in root 7g of x minus 3 as it is, 7 of g of x, that is g dash of x, derivative of g dash of x minus derivative of constant term 3 is 0. Now next term, 1 into 7, that is 7 g dash of x upon 2 in root 7 g of x minus 3 is equal to 7 upon 2, that is 7 upon 2 g dash of x in root 7 g of x minus 3. 7 upon 2 as it is. Now we can put x is equal to 3 because here we have to find f dash of 3. Therefore, by putting the value of x is equal to 3, we get 7 upon 2 g dash of 3, 7 g of 3, 7 g of 3 minus 3 is equal to 7 upon 2, but g dash of 3 is equal to 5 and g of 3 is equal to 4. So by putting this value here, g dash of 3, that is 5 upon in root 7 into g of 3, that is 4 minus 3. Now 7 into 5, 35, 7 5s are 35 upon 2 as it is in root 7 4s are 28 minus 3. 35 upon 2 in root 28 minus 3, that is 25. Therefore, we get f dash of 3 is equal to 35 upon 2 root 25, but we know that the square root of 25, that is 5, is there. Therefore, 35 upon 5. So in 5's table, 35 is there. Therefore, by simplification, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. Therefore, we get here 7 upon 2. And this is the answer of f dash of 3. Now you have to solve this example as a homework, and let us see this example in the next video. Y is equal to log of in bracket e raised to 3x in bracket 3x minus 4 raised to 2 upon 3 upon in cube root 2x plus 5. I repeat, y is equal to log in bracket e raised to 3x into 3x minus 4 raised to 2 upon 3 upon in cube root 2x plus 5. Enjoy studying. Bye.